Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how to create a text by using the bulb in the series. Now on screen you can see one text which is a text school. It's moving like a bulb in the series. So how to create this? There is one more word I have created, that is MS PowerPoint. You can see how I created by using the only PowerPoint and the only text. The procedure for it is very simple. First thing what you have to do is just insert a text, remove the text field, change the text outline, then convert the outline into a round one and just give a pulse animation. Now let's see how to do that. Just insert some text in your PowerPoint presentation. Let's put something MS Office. Once you insert, just select the proper one. I will select this. I will increase the font like this. After that, there is a format tool open over there. Just select it. Shape fill outline, shape fill, no fill. We'll select text, text fill, no fill, text outline. We'll take round one. Then we'll go more outlines. Width will be greater than 1.75. Compound. Dash type is round. Cap type is also round. Joint type is also round. Once you are done, you can select it. Now we have to change the color of it. If you want red, you can take red. If you want blue, you can take blue. Just select it. Once you select the text and the outline is done, you have to select the text like this. Then click on the animation. Click over there. Click on the pulse like this. Now once you click on the pulse and you have to open the animation pane here, select it, click on the effect option, animate by word or by letter. You can select the timing. You can select is until end of the slide and start with previous and click OK. Now when you click on the slideshow view, you can see the effect of light or the bulb light on your text. So it's very simple to create. Only you have to follow these steps. First one is the insert text, then remove the text field, then change the text outline, dashes to the round, width of round should be 2 around, then dash type is round, cap type is also round, joint type is also round. Once you are done with the formatting of the text, you have to select the text again, click on the animation, select the pulse animation in emphasis, then once you select the animation, you have to open the animation pen. Once you open the animation pen, on the right hand side you can see option effect option. From here you have to select animate text by letter. After that, in timing you have to put until end of the slide and start with the previous. Once you are done with that, you can click on the slideshow and you can enjoy the effect on your text. So it's very simple. Only you have to follow these steps. Once you follow these steps, you can do any number of text and in any color you can do it. So here we have created in yellow, here we have created in the red. One more thing you can do is once you select it, you can format it and click on the glow, and you can make it glow if you want. If you want to make it less glow, you can make it less glow like this. And when you click over here, now here you can see it's glowing like this. So this glowing effect also you can add as per your requirement. So in this way you can insert any text and add a bulb effect to it. Thank you.